look, China, are the bigger economy. What am I going to do? As a smaller economy, am I going to pick a fight with the bigger economy? It is not a question of being reactionary. It is a question of common sense. Meaning he is scared. And this is the point. The point is that we are now facing in front of us Chinese and Pakistani fusion. And it is a very dangerous time. As you can see, it is a very dangerous time. And we cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the courage to use the army the way it has to be used. We cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the guts to say from here that Donald Trump is a liar. He didn't stop India from fighting.
Okay.
He's lying about the planes.
Okay.
We need a prime minister who completely frees the army, frees the air force, frees the navy and says, go, khatam karo kaam ko, like Indira Gandhi did. Thank you, Speaker Sir. I'd like to end by saying this entire discussion is about the people who died in Pahalgam. It is a tragedy, and it was very disturbing to me. Again yesterday, where they were talking about everything, they were talking about Pakistan, they were talking about everything, but they did not mention the people who died in Pahalgam. So let me finish.
Finishing. Otherwise, you are not allowing, sir, LOP. Only this time, only allowing. Other time, mic is not allowed.
Sir, do not allow India to be reduced to a battlefield where large powers are fighting. We have to navigate. We have to protect our interest. Second, to the Prime Minister, the nation is above your image, above your politics, and above your PR. The forces are above your PR, your image, and your politics. Have the humility to understand that. Have the dignity to understand that. And do not sacrifice the armed forces and national interest for your own petty political gains. Thank you, sir.
सभा की कार्रवाई इस विषय की समाप्ति तक।
तो आप सुन रहे थे राहुल गांधी को। नेता विपक्ष ने करीब आधे घंटे से ज्यादा का भाषण दिया लोकसभा के अंदर और जमकर हमला बोला सरकार के ऊपर। पहलगाम में क्या इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर हुआ था, ये तो सवाल प्रियंका गांधी वड्रा ने भी सुबह उठाया था, राहुल गांधी ने भी उसका जिक्र किया। लेकिन राहुल गांधी ने अब कहा है कि एक तरीके से सरकार ने सरेंडर कर दिया पाकिस्तान के सामने। 2-3 बहुत बड़ी चीजें उन्होंने कही। उन्होंने कहा है कि पूरा प्रधानमंत्री की छवि के लिए देश हित का इस्तेमाल किया गया, देश हित को कुर्बान किया गया सिर्फ पीआर के लिए। सुनिए।
दो लोगों के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, एक आदमी जाकर दूसरे को घूसा मारता है और फिर कहता है देखिए मैंने घूसा मार दिया, अब एस्केलेशन नहीं कीजिए। मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो। और ये डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि हमने, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर यहां हाउस में कह रहे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से जाके कहा कि हमने आपको एक झापड़ मारा है, मगर हम आपको और झापड़ नहीं मारेंगे। हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कीजिए और हम मिलिट्री टारगेट नहीं मारेंगे। मीनिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया informed the government of Pakistan that we have no political will, we don't want to fight, we have done this, we have just done this action. Surrender, immediate surrender in 30 minutes.
Yes.
Now, Donald Trump has said 29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया है। अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। If he has the courage, if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make a ceasefire. And that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे। 50% होगा तो बोल देगा। That India's biggest foreign policy challenge has been to keep Pakistan and China separate. And I said here that I am sad to say that you have destroyed the single biggest, most important goal of Indian foreign policy. China and Pakistan are fused like this. Okay? Now let me tell you what that means. What happened actually, the truth of what happened, because I have to say that. What happened is that the government of India thought they were fighting Pakistan. And when they arrived, they suddenly realized that they were not fighting Pakistan, they were fighting China and Pakistan. The information available to the Pakistani Air Force was completely changed, and the Chinese were feeding information, critical battlefield information, satellite information, targeting information to the Pakistanis.